Hey guys, Tokero Exchange has launched their Crypto Mayors mining campaign on the ICE Open Network Tap to Earn. This means that on the Crypto Mayors app and on the Telegram bot, you can mine TMOON tokens for free every day. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to join the mining campaign and earn as much TMOON as possible. If you've been following the ICE Open Network project, you'll already be familiar with this because it's the same template. First thing you need to do is to install the Crypto Mayors app using the link in the description. You can also sign up via the Telegram bot, but note that if you're signing up with the native app, which is the iOS or Android app, your account is different from the account on the Telegram bot. So that means if you're mining on your native app on a Telegram, you'll be mining with two accounts. So take note of that because you can't use your face to verify both accounts unless they will be banned. So treat those accounts as two different accounts. Once you open the app, you'll be asked to provide your email address. So enter your email address and tap this button. Once you do that, a code will be sent to your inbox. So paste the code here and your account will be created. So tap next, next, next until you get to your dashboard. Give the app the necessary permissions, and here you can set your nickname. Once you provided your nickname, tap next step and tap complete. Now you receive your sign-up bonus of 2000 TMOON. So the next thing is to follow the team on Telegram if you see this prompt. So now you are ready to start your first mining session. You can skip all this. To start your first mining session, tap on the Crypto Mayors logo, and now your mining session has started. You can boost your account to increase your mining session and to prevent slashing. To do that, tap on the Crypto Mayors logo and tap boost now. For every project that uses the ICE Open Network Tap to Earn technology, to boost your account, you will need to burn ICE. You can see the different levels with their features. So for this example, I want to boost to level 5, and this requires burning about 658 ICE. So tap continue. Here you will be required to send this amount of ICE to a burn address. To view the burn address, tap show address, tap confirm, and the address will be visible. You need to send this exact amount of ICE to this address using BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, or Arbitrum network. I prefer to use the BNB Smart Chain. For this example, I'll be using BitGet wallet. So you can select your network by tapping on the network drop-down menu at the top right and select BNB Chain. Once I do that, I can see my ICE tokens. Tap ICE, tap send, paste the burn address here, enter the amount of ICE here, tap confirm, tap confirm, tap confirm, and now this transaction is on its way. The next thing you want to do is to copy the transaction hash. So tap learn more, and this will open the transaction details. So the transaction ID is the proof of the transaction that you have actually burnt this amount of ICE. So I tap on this copy icon to copy the transaction ID. So depending on the wallet, the process for getting your transaction ID may be different, but most wallets will always have a history. So you can check from the history here. As you can see, this is my most recent transaction. Once you tap on it, it will bring up more details. Another way is to search for your wallet address on the Blockchain Explorer. In this case, it will be the BSC Explorer. So you search for your wallet address and you see your most recent transaction. Copy the transaction ID, and that will serve as proof of your burn. To confirm that you've burnt this ICE, go back to your Crypto Mayors app and tick this checkbox, then tap continue. Select the network you used for the burn. I used BNB Smart Chain, so I select that, paste the transaction hash you copied, and tap continue. So now it has confirmed my burn. So all I have to do is to tap done, and now you can see that I'm upgraded to level 5. So this is how to boost your account, to increase your mining rate, remove slashing, and increase your referral limit. You can earn more TMOON by completing missions. To do that, tap this bag icon and you will see several missions to complete. Tap on them and follow the prompts to complete the missions. The more active friends you have, the more TMOON you earn. So tap invite friends and copy your referral link here. You can also invite friends by tapping on the friends icon and switching to the team tab. So here you can see the option to invite your friends. You can claim streaks to give you days off. Okay, to learn more about days off, you check out the link in the description. The concept is similar to that of the ice mining project and all the other projects that use its tap to earn template. If you're inactive, your TMOON will be slashed. So to prevent slashing, resume your mining session or boost your account to the required level. That's it about the TMOON mining on the Crypto Mayors project for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Crypto Mayors updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. Check out the description for some other mining projects on the ICE Open Network tap to earn and start mining your tokens right away. XENEA just launched its airdrop, so check out the link in the description, sign up, and start claiming your daily gems. For those of you looking for a reliable proxy for your airdrop farming, you can check out proxies. You'll find the link in the description. You can even get SOC 5 on proxies. Use my promo code Bunkie to get a 10% discount on your proxy purchase. If you haven't joined the Center testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. Check out the bonus section of this video description for some of the testnet airdrops and Telegram airdrops to join. So keep mining your TMOON, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.